Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. In today's video, I wanted to talk to you about the Daytona pinch weld vehicle dolly. So this little tool here saved my butt. So I picked up this classic car here, 1966 Corvair, true barn find. The back end has no axle, no driveline in it, and so I needed to get this out of the field, and these came in super handy. Without these pinch weld vehicle dollies, I would have never been able to get this out of the field, or the tow truck company would have charged me an arm and a leg to drag it out of there, and I probably would have had quarter panel damage and more damage to the vehicle. So these came into rescue. Like many of you, I was scouring the internet just looking for project cars, not really in the market to buy, but I ran across this car and it was like a deal too good to be true, and it's just perfect for my needs. So I had less than 24 hours to come up with a plan. How am I get this car out of the field when it has no rear axles, no rear suspension, nothing on it? And so I went on harborfreight.com and I saw these pinch weld dollies. I said, that's it, that's perfect. So I ran down to Harbor Freight and picked them up. Got to make a quick stop at Harbor Freight to get some pinch weld dollies. Hopefully they have them in stock because there's no rear axle assembly on this car I'm buying, the Corvair. So I need pinch weld dollies to get the vehicle mobile. So hopefully I'm going to go in there and see if they got what I got and need. And as you can see, what happens is these two pinch welds, these two plates here pinch against the pinch weld here, and then you bolt it on there. So this is literally bolted to the car on both sides there. Then I was able to roll the vehicle around and get it up on the tow truck. So without these, it would have been almost impossible to retrieve this car. And I was super glad I ran across them, and super glad they had them in stock. They weren't that expensive. They were a couple $100 for these. So for what they do and what they were able to do for me, I would highly recommend them. They're made out of some pretty good steel, pretty nice casters. They have locks on all the wheels. You can adjust the height up and down. I'm probably going to pick up a couple more so I can roll the vehicle around and get it in my shop and stuff, but my shop is not ready for the vehicle, so it's outside for now. As you can see here, you know, the rated for 3,600 pounds or 1.8 tons. Plenty of strength for a vehicle like this. So I'm not sponsored by Harbor Freight. They did not pay me or send me this. I just had to go out and come up with a plan and to get this car retrieved, and this is what I came up with, and I found it to be a very good product. So that's why I decided to make the video and point this out and recommend this. If you have a situation like this, the pinch weld wheel dollies or vehicle dolly is definitely a way to go. I would highly recommend it. So I'm Brian-esl from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.